What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Sydney from thenakedgardeners.com. This video is going to be a little bit different. It's not what the normal content that I normally put out, but with the days getting shorter and a lot of a lot of projects getting done, I decided I'm going to probably do something of this nature of a video. I'm over here in the back 40 of our property near the cows here, as you're probably hearing. And the reason why I'm doing this videos is, like I said, the daylight is getting shorter this time of year. It's hard to put out videos showing what we're doing on the farm and trying to do some tutorials and some of our DIY projects and things of that nature. A little bit about me while I'm doing these videos is I do a 2-hour commute to work in the morning, work a 9 to 5, and then drive 2 hours back. By the time I get home, it is roughly about 7:30. Then in the morning, I just basically do that from Monday through Friday. On the weekends, I tend to relax my body a little bit, give my body some time to recuperate and whatnot. We try to get out of the house or and out doing the chores around 8-ish in the morning, tending to the animals and whatnot. But with the projects coming up and different things of that nature, it's just a lot harder to push out videos on a regular. So what I probably would do is do some of these videos probably once a month. I got too much stuff going on right now, especially with work. I have a lot of things that I have to do with work issues, then dealing with the farm issues, and with this new business venture that we're going to be pushing out to next year. I just want to take a little bit stress off of my plate, because with me coming home around 7:30, then I got to constantly still thinking of ways to come up with our business thing, events and stuff that we're planning for the near future, and then polishing off some videos. Some nights I don't even go to bed till 10-11 o'clock at night, and then I'm doing the whole thing back all over again, at waking up at 5:30. With the accident I had back in, what was it, July, going to the chiropractor twice a week. That's still an ongoing issue. Tired of taking meds. I did, however, do a comfrey salve, and that has been helping a lot. That way I don't have to take as much medication. So what I'm going to be doing, I'll probably be doing, taking more stuff off of my plate by just not too worried about pushing out content. I'll probably do these videos, like I said, maybe once a month, maybe twice a month. That way I'm not worried about the business, work, home, the missus needs, and things of that nature. I can just concentrate as soon as I get home, just worry about the missus, the farm, and the business. Well, I guess it's still the same, but I don't have to worry about editing as many videos. What I probably wind up doing is have a recap of what has been going on for either the month, every 2 weeks or something like that. The missus can, she's normally the ones that's editing, do a rough draft of these videos. She's been doing this for the last 3 years. And then I'll do a polishing on that off of the videos, but I want to get it to a point where I'm not even doing that. It's just rough cut editing. Now that all this fancy stuff is just do whatever. Not planning the video. I just want to concentrate on the business and the marketing side of the farm and the homestead. So that will be that, where we, to kind of give you a direction where our farm is going. We are concentrating more on the American breast. American breast is our main source of income besides the YouTube. Actually, the American breast does way better than anything. And the Cornish cross now has picked up. thanks to us attending to the uh, APPA Convention. We will be attending the APPA Convention this coming up January 18th through the 20th. It's in Allen, Texas. It's a great conference. It's probably one of the best conferences that we have attended throughout our journey from being an urban backyard gardener to now of being a homesteader slash business mindset. And we're going to be learning from a lot of like-minded folks that have been through this journey and been sharing their success and tips and also some of the failures. Hopefully we can do that for those that are interested in becoming a pasture poultry farmer, not just pasture poultry. You can also deal with any type of animals. We don't do cows. We're only on 6.5 acres here. We have enough acres, however, to do beef for as with sheep or lamb and poultry. We still going to be focusing on the American breast chicken. We're going to try to open up this coming up spring, not just with hatching eggs and day old chicks that for people to pick up. We're going to actually try to ship them out. We think we have a supplier, a vendor that is willing to let us try some of their shippers to ship live chicks of American breast and also with the Welsh Harlequin ducks. So be looking for that. Now, if you're interested in, I know we had turned away a lot of folks this year and the previous year of those breeds. If you are still interested, please email us. Go to our website and email us that you are interested with either the American breast hatching eggs or the American breast day-old chicks. Same with the Welsh Harlequin ducks for the eggs and the day-old ducklings. Might even do some goslings as well with the uh, brown Chinese geese. So we'll see with that. We are going to do more workshop classes with not only of the American breast, the Cornish cross, and of the Tamuk rabbits. Those are going to be interesting classes for those that are interested in wanting to get into this way of life, this homestead of lifestyle. You definitely want to be able to do a hands-on training prior to raising your own chickens for whether for meat or eggs. We'll be doing classes on that along with the meat rabbits as well for the things that we've learned, some tips and tricks. We will be also, for those that can't attend to these classes, we will be doing more exclusive videos on our Patreon website. So if you're interested in learning that, you can go to our Patreon website. They're listed in the description down below. Right now we do have a rabbit butchering class to kind of show you about that. It does from the dispatch to the evisceration of the rabbit, the skinning of the rabbit, and we might even do some cooking videos of that. I think I've honed down this one dish. It's called a rabbit au vin. It's basically cooking a rabbit in a red wine. It is delicious, very tender, flavorful, and whatnot. But yeah, right now it's probably like noon, maybe 1 o'clock or so, and it's already getting darker and darker. As you can see, this is the first time we've had the weather like this where it's cloudy, sunny, cloudy. A few days it was just rainy and dreary, but now everything looks dead because we're going into the winter season. So we will be adding more videos on the Patreon account along with some other things that we're going to be showcasing that YouTube would not allow us to show. If there's any particular thing that you would like to see, please let us know. We will be doing a detailed chicken butchering class, when we start, we're going to be going to a class to learn how to process our sheep. None of the sheep that we're going to be selling to the public and to our community will be processed on our homestead. Any sheep that we process on our homestead will be for us or for our family members and friends, not for sale due to USDA requirements. That's my train of thought, what I'm thinking about doing moving forward until I get uh, I think I'm really pushing this close to being done with this 9 to 5, but I would like to look for either a local job or something that I can do from home. But right now that is not the case. Once I get my disability increase from the Air Force and my son finally graduates high school, I think I will be able to do that then, but that won't be to May, June 2025. So that is the direction right now where I see the channel going towards to in the meantime until we get more daylight. In the meantime, the missus wants to do lives. I'm not a particular fan of lives because, not saying that we did YouTube as a way of a source of income, because that's not the case. We did it to basically document our life of what we're doing and showcasing our success and our failures. I see a lot of YouTubers, that's where they mostly do their lives because it's something easy and it's you could just sit down quick, talk about anything. That's not what I want to do. I do like to fellowship with our viewers and our subscribers, but I'd rather do that through our videos. A lot of people that watch YouTube feel like YouTube is similar to the other social media outlets like Facebook, Instagram, but that's not the case. Content creators, we don't know who watched our channel, who gave us a thumbs up. We sometimes can know who subscribed to our channel, and but that's it. Most of the time, how we get our income is from people, or help get our income, or help produce or get our videos out there, is by commenting. You can even give us a thumbs up to say, hey, how y'all doing, good video, or whatever like that. That helps push Google slash YouTube our videos out more into the algorithm. So I know we get a lot of people that watches our video, but we don't know who watches our video. But things like that will help produce our videos out there, along with sharing our videos and stuff like that to people that can actually benefit of some type of issue that they may know, or they may know that a friend or family members are having the same issue that we're able to help out with. Things of that nature. Hopefully this spring we'll be doing a little bit more garden videos as the season gets closer to the fall and winter season. Of course, gardening season kind of slow down, so you won't see the whole garden tours and the harvesting and things of that nature. We will try to do a little garden cleanup, kind of showcase a little bit of that, maybe, who knows. But right now, like I said, I think these are the type of videos I'm going to be producing, maybe 1 to 2 times a week. Not sure what I'm going to title it. Some people call their stuff porch talk, pond talk, and farm chat and stuff. I'm not even sure what I will call these. Maybe on the back 40 or fence talk. Who knows? If y'all have any suggestion, comment down below. Let us know. I think that's it. Yeah, so thank y'all for tuning into this video. If you're new to the channel, these are not the type of videos that we normally produce. Like I said, we have a whole different playlist, from chickens to ducks, geese, farming, gardening, cooking, things of that nature. We have those. We'll put, if you go to our YouTube channel, you can take a look at that to see what we have in store for you. And if you like it, go ahead and subscribe. If you like these types of videos of me talking, just rambling on, we'll do even more of these. But right now, like I said, it's going to be probably once a month until probably the spring gets on, and then we'll be showing you more of a business side of the homestead, possibly, how to market it, how to showcase things that we're doing to might help you out that we've learned, and things like that. So yeah, until the next video, let's grow together.